How to fix green line on phone screen Android. So if you want to fix the green line on your phone screen Android, then what you need to do is first possible solution is to restart your phone. This may sound like a basic trick, but it will often work wonders. So simply press and hold on to that power button until the restart option appears on your screen. Tap on it, wait for your phone to reboot or restart. Sometimes a simple restart can fix your minor software glitches, causing the green screen issue. If restarting doesn't solve the problem, try checking for any pending software updates. Outdated software can sometimes lead to display issues. So to do that, you need to open up your settings app on your device, then scroll down to the very bottom and you can tap on the update. You can simply go with about phone and here you may have the system update. But if you don't have it right here, then you can go with system. And under system, you may have your system updates. You can simply go with update and update your system or your software. Once you've updated your software, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you can move on to the next solution, which is reset. So you can go with your settings and you can go with search, which is on the upper right, and you can search for reset all settings. Tap on reset and then tap on reset all settings and tap on reset all settings again and go with reset all settings, which is on the bottom. Once you reset, your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.